Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Instagram, wherever you're watching this on. I haven't been filming for a while. I just haven't had the creative juices, if you want to call that, flowing. The last hair video that I did, I wasn't too happy with the colouring of my hair, but we've got that sorted out. I've been looking through my Instagram, looking at new hair trends, you know, what suits my hair type. My hair type is actually quite thick and coarse. So I try to find hairstyles that are suited to my hair type because you can't watch every single hair tutorial and it's going to suit your hair type. It just doesn't work like that. So this also ties into finding something that works for you, for your hair type, and also if you aren't comfortable with, or you haven't practiced, or you don't really know how to do Dutch braids, French plaits, that kind of stuff, this is a great alternative as it looks like a braid, but you're just tying and pulling hair through and tying it again and pulling hair through. So hopefully I explain it quite well in the video for you to follow. If not, leave me a comment down below, I'll pick it up for the next video. So I actually haven't tried this before, so this is like my first attempt, just following YouTube tutorials, just following pictures on Instagram and looking, you know, zooming in, how do they do that? I think the trickiest part for me was figuring out what to do with the front bit, but I think it came out alright, but sure enough it was quite easy, and I absolutely love the way it turned out. So without me babbling on any further, I really hope you enjoy this tutorial. Give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you do want. I'm not too sure how frequent these videos will be because, as I said, I do fall off, I do fall on. I'm trying to get into a routine of things, of sitting in front of the camera and finding time to sit in front of the camera. So yeah, if you do like it, let me know. Let me know what else you guys want to see. If you want to see more makeup, more hair tutorials, just let me know and I'll try and produce that content for you guys. I hope you guys have a great day, hope you enjoy watching, and I'll speak to you guys soon. Bye! So, for this tutorial, I think you're going to need a comb. I've just got these see-through elastics. From Primark, they were like 90p. But my hair, I think it is probably about 3 days old now. So I think these styles are better to do with 2 to 3 day old hair. I'm just going to start by, I've got a mirror over here, so excuse me if I keep looking over there. I'm just going to start by parting down the middle. And then I'm just going to tie a side. Just going to brush this through, make sure all the knots are out. With the first one, I'm literally just going to tie it loosely. I'll probably put it around 3 times. And that's the first one done. The next lot, figure out where that one goes, and then you tie this one. Again, tying it very loosely. So you want to get this in half, pull this ponytail here through, so your top ponytail, you want to pull it through, clip, just going to clip that there. You take these two and then put that onto your next. Maybe I should put that one up as well. I'll gel all these after. Next hair tie. So 3. Let me pull that one a bit tighter. I'm guessing you let this one down, split that into 2, and pull this forward. Then grab the 2 bits and add it up into your back. I'm going to turn around a little bit here. So let this down, split that into 2, this ponytail up. With these 2. And I guess for the last bit here, just need to see how this is looking. Okay. So this one, split into 2. And pull. You can come back to the front and then tie this up. And I think this might be my last one. Make that a bit poofier. Start pulling bits out. And just thickening it up a little bit, basically, is what we're going to be doing. We'll do one more at the bottom, just to close that off. And that is the first one done. I mean, it's not great. It's alright for a first attempt, I guess. Now we've got to do the other thing on the other side. Okay, so that seems to be generally the same. Now what I did in the last one, separated out the neck section, and then I split that in two, threw that down the middle, and tied that up. Another elastic band right at the end here, just to close it off. Again, can make that look a bit better. Let's do that for this one. Okay, and that is the finished look. Any flyaways and stuff, just tuck them in. You can get some spray and tuck it in. But yeah, that's the final look. I'll just turn around. I'm just seeing a delivery coming to the door. Is that our delivery? Yep, that's for me. Be right back. And we're back. So yeah, I don't even know what I was saying before. Oh, I love a song. What was I saying before? Oh, so yeah, I like the way this came out. Hi guys. Should I do hi guys? What do I say? Hey guys. I'm looking behind here because I've got a camera. Got a camera. This is the camera. I've got a mirror behind here.